The STARLIGHT Adjustable Infrared Grill is made in Taiwan using top-of-the-line number 304 stainless steel. It has two 10,000 BTU stainless steel number 304 infrared burners, which allows the food to cook more evenly and saves you up to 40% on your gas consumption over traditional gas grills. You can cook an assortment of foods by using different combinations of our accessories. When the burner is set for 45 degrees, we recommend you to use the small or large rack for barbecuing. The grease droppings may damage the burner if the burner is not set for 45 degrees when barbecuing. When the burner is set on 0 degrees, use the cooker set and small rack set or large, small griddle plate for cooking. Use the drip pan when barbecuing, grilling, or rotisserie. It makes cleanup quick and easy. STARLIGHT can lock in flavor and aroma of the food you are cooking. It will bring out the most authentic taste of them. No need to go to a fancy restaurant for steak. Just bring out STARLIGHT. Use the small or large griddle plate. Grill it for about 5 to 10 minutes on high fire. Dinner is served. The slant bevel is a unique design of our griddle plate. It can prevent grease or oil from dripping onto the bottom burners and minimizes splashing of hot oil and grease. Both sides of the cooker rack are functional and can be used to boil water or making soup. There are two types of rotisserie motors to choose from. One is number 304 stainless steel electric rotisserie motor. The other one is battery operated. Our special pronged stainless steel skewers are designed to keep meats and vegetables from slipping and sliding around when the food is being flipped. With this design, it allows the food to be cooked evenly. They will do all the work for you. With STARLIGHT, you can cook a much tastier rotisserie chicken at home than what is available at most grocery stores or restaurants. It is certainly safer, more sanitary, and economical. STARLIGHT Adjustable Infrared Grill